Uh, I'm going to unbox as well the cordless jigsaw. This is LXT BL brushless motor, and the model is DJV182Z. Now let's see now. And here is the content. They are all papers. Now this is a manual as well. They are all manual. And here is the jigsaw. It's look very nice, And what's this one? The blade. There's one blade. I thought there's no blade included, but it has three. Actually, I purchased a blade because I thought there's no blade included, but look, I have not only three but five, six, two in its and then what's this one? What's this for? I don't know. I don't know what's this for. Now let's see, maybe this one is for the now I have here the battery with my Makita. I will test now. It's working. It's really nice. And then I will test as well the other one, my circular saw, and this one. I will remove this one. What is that? This one is. You have to fully press this one. If you're a right-handed, this one. If you're left-handed, this. And this one is nice, you can hang it like this. And it's good. There is as well, you can see it's already, my battery is already a bit low now. It needs to be charged. I will charge it now. This one is it's really good. I could say solid. And thank you for watching my video.